Every vehicle coming in the next War Thunder update. Imp Chaparral. BR 9.3. Nation USA. Type Anti-Air. O58D. BR 10.3. Nation USA. Type Attack Helicopter. F-16C. BR 12.0. Nation USA. Type Fighter Jet. USS Texas and USS Arkansas. Nation USA. Both at BR 6.7 and battleships. Also Arkansas is a premium. Leopard 2 PSO. BR 11.7. Nation Germany. Type medium tank. Mi-8TB. BR 8.3. Nation Germany. Type attack helicopter. SMS Nassau. BR 6.3. Nation Germany. Type battleship. 2S1. BR 6.0. Nation USSR. Type tank destroyer. TO-55. BR 8.0. Nation USSR. Type medium tank. Part 2 with more vehicles coming tomorrow.